How to make a quiz in Kahoot easy and fast. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create a quiz using Kahoot. So to get started, just simply click on sign up on the top right of your screen. Once you do that, you can choose what kind of account you want to create. Let's say we want to create a personal account, and then you're going to enter who you're going to be playing with. So let's say that we want to play with your students, so on and so forth, and you're just going to enter your birthday over here. So we're just going to select that from over here and click on continue, and then you can enter a suitable username. Your username needs to be unique, so you can choose this little section over here to automate a username. So we're just going to continue with this username over here, and then you have to enter your email address, or you can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever. We're just going to continue our sign up process with Google. And once you have done that, you're going to click on continue and sign up. Now, once your registration is complete, it only takes a couple of seconds. You can choose what kind of plan you want, or you can click on basic and continue for free to create your basic Kahoot quiz. And then you can click on create on the top right over here and click on Kahoot. And then you can simply enter your media or enter your question. So whatever question it might be, let's say we want to enter a basic question. And then you can choose to insert media or images if they are relevant. You can also enter mathematic terms as well, but we're just going to enter simple answers like this, and then you can enter more answers if you want. You can enter more, but we're just going to remove the additional answers, and you can enter a time limit for your quiz as well. You can also enter points, so if you want standard points, double points, or no points, and if you want single select or multiple select options as well. And then once you've done that, you're simply going to click on add question. If you want to enter another question, you can enter true false questions or quiz questions on the free version of Kahoot. Once you've done that, you're going to click on save, and you're going to select the correct answer. So let's say it's red. We're going to select that and click on save, and you will enter your title like this. And now our Kahoot quiz has now been created. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.